In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change working hours in Calendly. Calendly is a fantastic tool for managing your schedule and making appointment bookings seamless. But sometimes your availability needs to change, whether you're adjusting to a new routine, setting boundaries, or simply tweaking your hours to create a better work-life balance. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of customizing your working hours in Calendly. And if you haven't already created a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to get started. With that, let's jump into the steps and take control of your calendar. First, head over to the Calendly homepage and log into your account. Simply enter your credentials and hit login. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is where all of your event types and settings are managed. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the Availability tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is the dedicated section where Calendly allows you to manage and customize your schedule. Think of it as your control center for deciding when people can book time with you. Once you're on the availability page, take a moment to review your current daily and weekly availability. Calendly will display your existing time slots, which represent the windows when you're open to taking bookings. This is your opportunity to check if your schedule aligns with your needs. Next, identify the specific time slots you want to update. Maybe you need to start your day a little later, end earlier, or open up a new availability window. Once you've decided on the changes you want to make, click on the displayed timeframes that you'd like to adjust. After selecting a time frame, you'll see an option to input your new working hours. Go ahead and enter the updated hours that match your current preferences. This could mean extending your availability, reducing it, or even modifying it for specific days. Adjusting your schedule ensures it reflects your needs and availability accurately. Keep in mind, you can customize these hours as much or as little as you like. Calendly is flexible that way. Once you've entered your new hours, don't forget to save your changes. Calendly will automatically process and store your updates after you hit the Save button, so there's no need for any extra steps here. This ensures your adjustments are locked in and ready to go. Finally, take a moment to review your updated schedule. Double-check to make sure everything looks correct. This step is key to avoiding any accidental overlaps or gaps in availability. And if something still doesn't feel quite right, don't worry. You can repeat the steps and make further adjustments until your schedule is just the way you want it. And there you have it. In this tutorial, you've learned how to adjust your working hours in Calendly to better suit your schedule and needs. If you have any questions or would like to see tutorials on other features, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.